chance of snow 50%. Friday night, cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Lows around 30. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Highs in the upper 30s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Monday, sunny. Highs around 50. Monday night, partly.
This is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen with a test tornado warning for Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota. This will be in effect until 2 p.m. this Thursday afternoon. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Also remember, another test tornado drill will occur at 6:45 p.m. this evening. We now return to normal programming.
At 1 p.m.,